Hi guys, today we are going to see about screw pump overhauling. So remove the magnetic coupling bolt and remove that coupling, and remove the backside cover bolt which holding the relief valve. Once you remove this, remove the magnetic coupling from the place which is holded by a circlip. Remove that circlip and remove this magnetic coupling from the place. Then you can able to see a circlip inside on it which holds the power rotor. Remove that and rotate the power rotor so that the screw will be come outside. And please give the right side screw on right side and left side screw on left side. Still the parts number is both are same. Still, for to be on safer side, keep it on left and right. Then remove the power rotor from place by removing the casing cover with the bearing. For this magnetic coupling type pump, there is no mechanical seal in this place because it has not physical contact with the motor, as it is driven by a magnetic coupling. So this is a power rotor and the screw and the relief valve part. So we need to clean all those parts, and please cut the gasket of the same to prevent more clearance unnecessarily, or use the genuine spare kit with a gasket which is with you. So now we are placing the both screws on this place after cleaning the pump. Once you fix it back, now you can fit the power rotor from the back side and just rotate it so that it will be come it on the place. Here the bearing you need to change. Once you rotate the power rotor, it will be come onto the place, as you can able to see it over here. As I am rotating, it has come to the place where it is. Once it has been on a place, then fit the back cover with a relief valve. You can use a 1 bolt of longer size so that you can tighten it easily. Otherwise you need to press against the spring force. For that, just use a long stud or long screw of the same 17 bolt size. Once you done, tighten that. Just see the free rotation of the shaft. Once all good, then fit the circlip on the place on that groove which you are showing I am here. Once you fit it back in a place, apply lube oil to the casing for the bearing cover for a lubrication, and check the condition of this o-ring if it is good. And as it is a overall, you can able to renew the o-ring and the gasket also. So I am put back the casing back to the place after applying oil into that where this bearing going to sit. Then use a Teflon hammer, or otherwise you can also use a screw and tighten it slowly so that it will be fit back in a place. After fitting the bolt, fit the magnetic coupling with the shaft key. Align it properly with the shaft key and hit it and fit it back on the place, and fit the circlip to that groove and the magnetic coupling cover, and tighten the screw over it. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you in another useful information with next video. Bye.